Welcome back. I think you attempted psychometry test 5 within 15 minutes. Then, how many marks did you score, Rubel?
Sir, I haven't checked the answers yet.
Acha, acha, please check it up. No problem. We will wait for you. Please
Sure.
check it up. Please check it up. No problem. You want to see the answers on the screen? Screen. This is the answer.
Okay, sir.
Please check it up and mark it. What about our Swapna? How many marks did you score?
28, sir.
Oh, that means the average is coming around that way only 25 to 30. Or if somebody scores 30, it is very good, I think. Oh, it's very. Let us see what happened. Why are we thinking completely differently? Uh, that is what we have to see. We will spend some time in looking into it. And then today evening, 1 minute. 3:30 and all, I have a Federal Bank interview classes, mock interviews for them. 1 minute. 3:30 p.m., 4:30 p.m., 4 p.m., 4:30, 5 p.m., 5:20 p.m. All finished, engaged. Then, yeah, luckily or unluckily, that 8:30 program has been cancelled. So it is not there today. So if you want, we can meet at 8:30. Maybe first half of it, we will discuss about State Bank of India, because you are all State Bank of India people. We
Yes,
will
sir.
discuss by verifying the website of State Bank of India. We will try to learn something till 9:15. Then at 9:15, I will go for discussing about Federal Bank of India thoroughly. If you want, you can stay and see. But I will discuss certain things about Federal Bank in particular. So
Okay,
with
sir.
that, 10 o'clock will be over. So if you want, you can go at 11:15 and start reading based on whatever we have. I'm going to tell you. These are the things you have to check it up and all. So you can start reading it later on. So I will post in our group 8:30 p.m. There will be a class for discussing about State Bank of India and its website. The actual class is website. We will go through the website and discuss about it, try to learn something. Same thing I will do for Federal Bank at 9:15. Swapna, you be the leader of this group and post a message in our group that 8:15 to 9:15 there will be a class for discussing about the details given in the website of State Bank of India, right?
Okay, sir.
Whether they will ask an interview or not, we don't know, but still we will make it ready for us. Good. Rubel, how many marks did you score?
27, sir.
Oh, good. So the marks 25, 27, 28. This is how it comes average. So from 1 to 20, 1 minute, let me see what is the answers they have given. 1 to 20. The, the mistakes were more in the first half or second half?
Sir,
Rubel?
my mistakes were mainly because of like they have options given strongly agree and strongly disagree, but I was choosing agree disagree. Matlab, I was not going for strongly in those answers.
Hmm. That is why the problem comes. Acha. Now let me see what are those questions. Rubel, tell me 1 to 20, which questions did you answer wrongly?
Sixth option question, sir.
Sixth is I feel totally dejected if I have to spend with my family.
No, sixth is right. Seventh, sorry, sixth is right.
Seventh, seventh
Yeah.
is I try to find out the good qualities in my friend.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer you give?
I gave strongly. I gave agree.
But I think an answer like A is more good for this. Na? I
Yes.
won't find fault with that. Next question?
Ninth and tenth, sir.
I feel one should know little bit of many things instead of confining to one particular topic. Now, what did you say?
Again I chose agree, sir.
But this is totally agree is correct. A is correct in my view.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Next 10 also, I always feel most of the people around me are not friendly. What did you say?
Agree.
That is totally wrong. Na? The answer given for that is see, you cannot decide. There is there are all the five options are possible. There may be some of us who consider the entire world to be bad, so they will consider everybody is bad. You know, there is a very famous story for this in Mahabharata. Mahabharata, what happened? Krishna asked Yudhishthira to go out to the city and try to find out one bad man in the group and come and report to him. He went out. After a few minutes, um, he called Duryodhana and told him, "You please go out and find out again one good fellow in the world. Come and report." The result was Dharma returned and said, "Arey Krishna, Krishna, what is it? In the world, there is no bad person. Everybody is good." The reverse is what happened in the case of Duryodhan. Duryodhan, who came and said, "Hey, bhai, दुनिया पर सब रोग hai. All of them are bad people." So like that he said, it's all depends on the perception, how we look at things. And of course, it comes out of our experience, based on experience. When one person cheats us, we start forming an impression that people belonging to that village are bad, people belonging to that community are bad, something like that. So there is no reason. I will not say what one thinks is right or wrong, but that is not correct. You know, one person has cheated means should we consider everybody is a cheat? No. But I am telling it as a teacher, but when it comes to me as a personal problem, probably I may not be able to implement. So this is what it is. So your answer is okay. Now let's go for the next one. Next one, which one you did wrong, our Ruble? Ruble, please. Which one you did wrong?
14th. 14th.
14th. I am not at all concerned about the opinion of others. Not at all concerned about the opinion of others. What did you say?
I said disagree.
But he wants totally disagree. Correct, correct. So his way of looking at things is right. So for some of the situations where you can strongly agree and disagree, please choose that one. This is the learning out of your experience in this ruble.
Yes, sir.
Next, which
Yes, sir.
question you didn't do it correctly?
Next 20th, sir.
I get irritated when I have to work in an tiny room. What is the answer you gave?
I chose disagree. I was thinking from the perspective that the office might be untidy, but still we have to work.
In fact, I would have also gone with the same answer. But the paper setter has looked at it for as if the office should be very tidy, not untidy. Anyhow, doesn't matter. Okay. Thank you, Rubel. We will go for next person, Swapna.
Yes, sir.
Swapna, from 21 to 35, which questions did you answer wrongly?
22nd one, sir.
22nd.
Second. Yes, sir.
Please read the question.
You feel uncomfortable if you have to spend a night. Option A, outside your home. Option B, with someone not much known to you. Option C, alone in an unknown place. Option D, in an unknown place with some outsider. I had chosen option C, sir. The given option is option B.
Obviously, B is more suitable. Unknown place alone will not make you bad. Unknown place plus someone who is not also known to you. Correct?
Okay, sir.
I think I will go with that answer. Next question.
24th one, sir.
Tell me.
When guests visit your house, you always love to. Option A, chat with them. Option B, cook some dishes
For them.
For them. Option C, go out for dinner. I had chosen option A, sir, and they gave option B as answer.
I will also go for A. I will also go for A. You are right. Because
Yes,
of
sir.
course, it is not that we are not giving them food,
Yes, sir.
but probably this question paper may be for hotel management. I don't know. Now go for the next one.
26th one, sir.
Yeah.
You like to spend. Option A, luxurious life. Option B, comfortable life. Option C, you are not particular about your lifestyle. I had chosen option C, sir. They gave option B as answer.
No, you are right. Don't worry. You are right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Go for the next one.
27th one, sir.
Mm.
You feel quite comfortable when you. Option A, or in a group. Option B, or left alone. Option C, have to concentrate in a particular matter. I had chosen option B, sir. The given option is option C.
You feel quite comfortable when you have to concentrate on a particular matter. See here, this option appears to be correct. When you have to look into solving some issue, you tend to be more at home. That's what they say. It's okay.
Okay.
I will agree with that. Next one.
28th one, sir.
Yeah. In
In modern world, integrity has no value. In your opinion, this is option A, always true. Option B, true most of the time. Option C, not always true, but at times this is so. Option D, true in general, but there are exceptions. I had chosen option C, sir, but the given answer is option D, Delhi.
I will also go with C. Sorry. Because they appears to be totally negative. Next one.
Next, 31st, sir. If your neighbor asks your help to admit a sick person in a hospital at night, then you. Option A, try avoiding it. Option B, do not look back and go for help. Option C, analyze the situation thoroughly to take appropriate decision. I had chosen option C, sir. They gave option B as answer.
Here they want to find out whether you have helping nature. So option B may be correct. Then
Okay, sir.
next one.
34, sir.
34. Tell me. Yeah.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah,
Doubt
somebody
on
wants
the
to
last
speak.
question discussed?
Somebody wants to speak. Tell me.
The question it asked whether if you help a neighbor, but can we just analyze the situation and decide to take serious action? What if the neighbor is lying or have any other
He is your
motives?
neighbor. He is your neighbor whom you are supposed to know. But in general, nowadays, what happens? I don't know who is staying in my next flat also. That is the thing happening. But when it is told a person is a neighbor, it is expected that you know about him, he knows about you. That is why that answer has been given. Do you follow?
Yes.
The question they have not given. Somebody comes and asks for medical help. His house is situated 4 kilometers away from your house. No. The question is about a person who is next door to yours. So that is why they have chosen, and I agree with that. Now, next one, 34 over, 34.
34, sir.
Yeah.
Which one of the following is the best quality in a man? Option A, tactfulness. Option B, truthfulness. Option C, farsightedness. I had chosen option A, sir. The given option is option C.
I will also choose A only because far-sightedness means what? Can I anticipate what is going to come tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 2, 3 days after
Yes.
today? It is all impossible.
Yes, sir.
Far-sightedness. So tactfulness will take care of far-sightedness also. I will go for A for that question. Now, I think there are some mistakes in this. Doesn't matter. Now, we will go for the next participant, Jesse. Jesse, 36 to 50. Which questions did you commit mistake?
So question number 37, sir.
Yeah, you prepare a things to do list before starting a day's work.
10 days.
Yeah. What did you
I
say?
answered B, sir, sometimes.
You behaved 100% true. Correct? You have been 100% honest in your answering. But possibly an answer A will get you a mark. Why don't see? The thing is, you prepare a list means it is not necessary. You should bring your computer, make a tabular column in that, make it in what is that? Microsoft Excel and all that. You just write in a piece of paper. That is also program. That is also timetable. That's you see. You may all be laughing at me. I don't know whether you can see. Are you able to see me?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Acha, 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 sorry.
No, sir.
I have not put a shirt, that's why. Doesn't matter. See, I write things like this, not in a very systematic way. Say what number has to come for interview. And this is how I prepare for my list of people who are joining. For example, this is the list of people who have joined federal. And this is the list of people who have joined for SBI, SBI, this thing. I write their number and the date on which they join also. That's all. But there are systematic ways in which it can be done. But okay, I am happy with this. That's why, because not many, if I get too many numbers, then I may not be able to do it. If I get too many numbers, like in Federal Bank, I will not write this also. I will simply send for all those people who have remitted money, and that is how I manage that one. Anyhow, doesn't matter. So, who was reading this? 30. Jesse, you were doing which question number?
37 done. Next question 39.
37 done. 39. Yeah. 39. Tell me.
You prefer that your personal assistant be on his or her toes whenever you are around. I answered C, sir, almost never.
You prefer your personal assistant to be on her toes whenever you are around. Here they have wrongly given as A and always, almost always. I mean, probably this question is aimed at from a higher position person. So what did you answer? Sometimes.
Almost never, sir.
Almost never. Almost never will mean that you are never willing to be in the company of people who are associated with you. You prefer doing things alone and all. Doesn't matter. The answer like sometimes may be more ideal. Then next one.
So question number 41, sir.
41. What is the question?
People generally maintain distance from you because you pose yourself as a unique person. You cannot speak properly, lose interest easily. So I choose B, cannot speak properly.
41 is given as a people generally maintain a distance from you because you pose yourself as a unique person, cannot speak properly, lose interest easily. Pose yourself as a unique person. That is supporting the answer. We have to look at it. People try to keep a distance because you appear to be a different person. It's okay. Don't worry. Whatever answer is correct only. All the three appear to be okay. Now come for the next one.
Question number 48.
Yeah, please read.
You enjoy going to picnic with your friends, reading books, sitting in your room, take a long drive through unknown places.
You marked A.
Right, sir.
That is also correct. This is also correct. Don't worry. Next.
From 35 to 50, I only made this much mistake, sir.
Only this many mistakes. Good. Excellent. Thank you so much. Best wishes. We'll stop this session with this, unless you have some questions to ask. If you have any other questions to ask, you can ask me about GD or psychometry or interview. Any doubts that comes to your mind, you can ask. Yes, please. And I understand the interview dates have been given to you or not?
No,
Not
sir,
yet.
not yet.
Not yet given. Only it seems in the website they have given the interview will start from 21 itself. Correct?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Very bad. Previously, they used to allow at least 15-20 days time for me to teach you people. But nowadays, they are not at all giving any time at all. That is the problem. Any doubts, any questions, please? Should I
Sir,
tell
I
you, you
want
must,
to,
yeah, tell me.
sir, I want to ask like about my gap